go. So you can unmute yourself when you're ready, Sam, just so you know. Sam he does a lot of work with me now as one of my business partners. We are just about to launch some new brands into the UK market together. And I thought it'd be kind of neat to get Sam to talk a little bit about potentially selling your products in the UK as well. Sam also does heaps and heaps of work with a lot of people within the Aussie online entrepreneurs as their business partner. He's business partners with quite a few people within the Aussie online entrepreneurs. He's launched shitloads of products onto Amazon as well, launched heaps and heaps of great brands, done some really, really good stuff. Also lives here in Lisbon with me. Hello, Sam, how are you?
I'm great, mate. How are you?
Very good, thank you very much. Shall I make you a presenter so you can share your screen?
Yeah, that'd be good. Cheers, mate.
All right,
Appreciate
so
it.
I'm going to make Mr. Fawal the presenter.
Mate, I'm not sure if it's a good thing or a bad thing, huh?
Well, it depends what you've got on your screen, doesn't it?
All right, let's have a look. What are we doing here? All right, perfect. Too good. Appreciate the call, mate. That was fantastic. Really, really cool. Always learning really cool, good stuff. For sure. You can hear me all good, mate. It looks like I'm
everybody
coming
can hear you and everybody can see you. You're good as gold, mate.
Too good, too good. Well, yeah, as Neil was saying, I mean, we've been, I guess I've been, for a lot of you guys who don't know me, I've been doing Amazon for coming on to 7 years now. Was one of the coaches in Aussie Online for a few years, and then branched out probably about a year and a half ago now, doing a lot more partnerships. Also, we have probably about close to 20 different brands that we're working on at present, and we're always looking for, the edge, always looking for a new way to expand our businesses and expand our brands. And Amazon UK has been something that I've been looking at for a while. And lately, I've been looking into it a lot more. And I just want to share with you guys some of the statistics of Amazon UK, because when we think about, I guess, building a business, you've gone through all that time and all that effort to find a manufacturer, to get great images, to do a fantastic listing copy. And a lot of the times, people just stay in one market, or you just stay in one market with your product. But actually diversifying markets is a really, really great strategy, because essentially all you're doing most of the time, depending on which market you want to get into, is just ordering more inventory and then sending it over to there. So that's one thing that you can do to really leverage and to really build your business. If you're doing from one marketplace, 6 figures, then you can easily double that and even triple that by going to more marketplaces. So Amazon UK launched in 2002. That's when they launched their actual marketplace. But some of these statistics, I was absolutely blown away. And Neil said to me, look, we have to share it on a call. So let's share it for a lot of the guys. I know a lot of you guys have been interested in getting into Amazon the UK as well. But UK essentially dominates 30% of the e-commerce market share. It's actually a huge, huge e-commerce market. And there are currently about 21 Amazon fulfillment centers in the UK. And it's actually Amazon's largest European logistics and fulfillment presence. So all of there in the UK. But if we look at the actual, I guess the net sales and the growth of Amazon UK, you can see it's absolutely flying, right? So this is purely Amazon. So they've gone from 4 billion to around about $17 billion, and that's in a space of 9 years. So that was the latest figure there, 2019 from Statista. And if we have a look at the actual UK population, so the population as of 16th September 2020 was nearly 67 million people or so. Then if we look at Amazon Prime, this is what really blew me away. 25% of the adult population has signed up for Amazon Prime, right? That is incredible. Nearly 17 million people in the UK have signed up for Amazon Prime, which is essentially being able to have access to one-day shipping and free shipping, and also some videos and movies and things like that. So there's a ton of people within the UK that really, really love Amazon's services. And just to have a look at that, Nearly 24 million people purchase on Amazon.uk every month, right? And nearly 40 million or over 40 million people purchase from Amazon UK annually. Again, huge, huge numbers. So just a bit of a recap. UK population is 67 million or so. Signed up for Amazon Prime is 17 million. 40 million plus people purchase on Amazon UK annually, and then essentially more than 50% of UK citizens that shop online purchase from Amazon at least once a month. But this is probably the biggest thing here. There's only 280,000 active Amazon sellers as of 2019 in the UK. So it's still open for a lot of people. I know there are, and one thing you'll find about the UK also is that a lot of the products are actually more expensive than what you'd get them for in the US, which is quite amazing. And also, obviously, the pound currency there. So just going over a couple of things here for a lot of you guys who want to register for Amazon in the UK is you actually need to register for VAT. And there's a couple of different ways of doing it, and we're still kind of ironing out, I guess, a lot of the information there. But you can register for VAT with services, I guess, through Amazon. And that's essentially a service where Amazon will calculate for you the exact VAT that you actually need to pay. And it's all done within your Seller Central account. That's around about £400 annually. Another way of actually setting up VAT, or kind of a bit of a cheaper way of doing it, is to actually set up a non-resident company in the UK. That is another option. It's a little bit more complicated, and you essentially only pay VAT once you get to the threshold of £85,000. There is more information about any of this through a company called simplyvat.com, so you can actually check them out. But the biggest thing here is, and I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes just sharing this information for you, but actually Neil and I are going to be working together and actually creating our own Amazon UK store for members. So it's something that we're going to reveal very, very soon, but it's something that we've been working on in the background just to make it as easy as we can for you guys to actually get into the UK. If you currently have products or you're currently about to launch products, this is an opportunity for you to get in there very, very easy. So, mate, just wanted to share that, Neil. Appreciate me coming out there for that 5 or 6 minutes, mate, just touching base on this. And I'm sure we're going to have another call very, very soon.
We will do indeed. Thanks for that, Sam. And thanks for us also for the fantastic stuff you're doing with regards to the UK market as well. Very, very exciting marketplace. It is a really easy marketplace for Aussies to sell in because, obviously we speak the same language, although the Poms do talk a bit weirdly. But in the main, what sells well in Australia, what sells well in the USA will also sell well in the UK, and vice versa, of course, as well. So if you've currently got products selling in the USA or in Australia, then just know you can launch those into other marketplaces. And I think the UK is a brilliant marketplace to go into. And as Sam says, very, very easy to get yourself set up there. There's some good tax benefits as well to that. There's some broader tax benefits that you get from selling internationally as well, that will become apparent later on, perhaps when Sam and I kind of go through the whole thing. But as Sam said, that's something we want to do. We're currently launching in the UK ourselves. We're setting something up to help AOE members launch into the UK really easily too. Watch this space for more information on that.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below, and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.